Do you always need to boil water for coffee? The answer is not that simple. For some methods, yes. Boiling or hot water is key. For others, not so much. Let's break it down. Pour over needs water between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, just below boiling. Too hot scorches, too cold tastes flat. French press? Same rule. Let boiled water cool for 30 seconds for a perfect brew. Espresso machines heat water to the perfect temp for rich, concentrated coffee. Cold brew skips heat entirely. Steep in cold water for 12 to 24. For smooth, low-acid coffee. Master your coffee, 1 cup at a time.